Hey pluckers, I have a sore finger here with video 4 of the question tutorial on the rhythm side of things. Right, so we got to the end of the verse, or we got to the verses on the previous video where we were doing the okay, so it does 2 verses of like that, and then on the actual song, or the recorded version, it goes back into the just like it did on the intro. Okay, so, and then the same again at the end of that, it goes into the just like you do at the end of the intro, okay, that you've already covered, okay, in previous video. Okay, so then it goes back into the third verse, which is why do we never get an answer when we're knocking at the door? Because the truth is hard to swallow. That's what the war of love is for. That one, okay. And at the end of that verse, it sort of goes into a very slow strum. Okay, so I'll just get to that part for you. Okay, so I'll do the end of the second verse and go into the ooh. Okay, so it's a second verse, okay, coming up. Okay, so that at the end of the third verse is just you come out of the so just the first finger on the first fret, open, first finger, first fret, okay. Now then it builds up into the first part of the slow section, and the build up is the first 4 strings open first, then you put your first finger on the first fret of the first string, and then the third fret of the first string, so it's a sort of climb up, okay, and then you put the old bar on the first 4 strings of the 5th fret, okay, followed by the same shape that we were using down here with 3 fingers. That's the first string, first fret, second string, second fret, and the 4th string, second fret, but it's up 2 frets. So it starts on the 3rd fret, first string, second string, 4th fret, and the 4th string, 4th fret. Okay, so go from the slow start. It's not the way that you tell me. Open, and then the whole thing repeats. Bit of a pause. Second part. Nice sweep with the whole 6 strings on the last open bit, okay? Now then, so that's the first section of the slow section, if you like to call it that, or I do anyway. Right, so now the second part of the slow section, where it goes, I'm looking for someone to change my life. It's so you've just stopped and done the full sweep. Bit of a pause, and then it's so open, 2-finger chord that I showed you before. First string, first fret, and third string's second fret. I'm looking. So on, off, right? Or off, on, off. I'm looking. Then back to that 3-finger jobby. Okay. I've shown you before. You've used that quite a few times now. I'm looking for open again. I'm looking for some miracle in my life. Okay, but then there's a build up. Okay, and it's open, and then that 3-finger chord again. Slide it up 2 frets, up to the old bar on the 5th, first 4 strings. Okay. So from the beginning of that, where it goes, I'm looking for something to take down. I mean, I'm sorry, get carried away there. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. So okay, with that, I put in an extra. That's the sort of thing you do when you get into it, I suppose. Anyway, I'll do it. I'll try and keep it simple. So from the open, 3-finger chord. Open. Okay, so that's the second part of the slow section, if you like, and then it does the first section again, where it goes. Right, then comes the second part of the second part, if you like. I'm looking for someone again, but this one's a little bit different. This has got a slightly different ending to it. So it's the same at the beginning, where it goes, I'm looking for someone to change my life. I'm looking for a miracle in my life. They build up. Now this is where it's changed. It goes up 2 frets. Open. Build up. To the 3 chords, 3-finger chord. That's a bit tricky, that one, isn't it? So we'll go through that again. So I'm looking for someone to change my life. I'm looking for a miracle in my life. Build up. 5, 2, 7. Open. Build up. 5. Open. 3 fingers. And if you really want to be smart, at the end of that you could go, instead of just doing a strum, you could go use a harmonic on the 12th. Okay, so it's a sort of slow arpeggio with a pick. Third fret, first string. Slide it up to the 8th fret on the first string. So, and then harmonics on the 12th. Very lightly put your finger over the top of the 12th fret here, and just lightly strum the strings and take your finger off. So you're not pressing, you're only lightly. Okay, so that sort of thing. Okay, you don't have to do that, it's just a bit of a different ending. Right, so those basically, that's basically all the parts that are in the song. It's basically just now playing them in the sequence that you want to. You've learnt the intro, you've learnt the verse, which is the. You've learnt the first slow bit, which is the. Learnt the first second part of the slow bit, if you like, where it goes. That to open, and then the 3-finger one. That one, and then the second half of the second bit, if you like, which is the extended bit. I'm looking. Up to 7. Open. To the 5, open, 3 fingers, and slow arpeggio. Okay, and those are all the parts. I mean, after that you can play the intro again, like, you know, after it's done the. You can go into the. Do that bit again, do the whole intro, and then finish it. So I've shown you all the parts now, so just arrange it how you like, really. Well, hope you get on with that, and let me know. Any problems, you know, let me know, and I'll try and put them right. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Bye for now. See you later.